Yes, welcome back to Knowledge is Power. Learn and share it as always. So, remember to subscribe if you haven't for more videos, and we learn together. And don't forget to share with a friend. Today, we are going to look at how to access a live class if the invitation has been sent via Google Classroom. You know, some teachers, they are using Google Classroom and Zoom simultaneously, just like I informed you earlier. The link is sent via Google Classroom via the stream. So let us just get straight to it. We will open your Google Classroom and then open that specific class. Let's say it is maybe English, mathematics, whatever. You will see all your classes just aligned here. So click on the specific class, and then you have to look through the stream. You know, sometimes the message may go down below, but you have to read very carefully. So this just says that tomorrow there is a class, for example, for primary 1 class, that is Introduction to Computers. And here you're not seeing the link. This is very challenging. Some people don't see the link and they keep asking, where is the link? Especially when they're using the mobile phones. So you have to do, just click on the message, especially just close to the name here above here. The full message will open and you'll be able to see the link. So just now tap on the link and then select how you want to open the link. Of course, you have to open it with the Zoom application. You can say just once or always if you don't want to be disturbed all the time. But I prefer clicking on Zoom, and then I prefer saying just one. The next thing is if the meeting has started, it will request for your name. If you're entering for the first time, let's say this is I'm the student. I'll enter my name and then press OK. Then waiting for maybe the host to accept me in. Alright, now the host has let me in. Then just below here, some people cannot, they get a problem of hearing, so you have to say join audio. You have to join your audio. If you don't join the audio, you will not hear. So you click here and then say Wi-Fi or cellular data, allow. You'll be able to join your audio, and you'll be able to join your audio and also hear, of course, what the teacher is saying. And then there are some basics like muting yourself. If you want to speak, you have to unmute yourself here. If you want to unmute yourself here, such that you say something to the teacher. And if you also want to turn on your video, you will press there, and then you'll be able to turn on your video, and the teacher will be able to see you as well. If you want to turn it off, it's always better for your video to be on, of course. Sometimes the teacher will let you share your screen. You just click on share here, and then you'll be able to share whatever you want to share with the teacher. If you want to see the participants, you click there, you'll see the participants. If you want to send a message to the teacher, just go to more here, you will see the chat window, and then write a message. If you want to send to everyone or specify to the teacher, to the host, you can click on the name and write a message there. The teacher will receive your message. Hope that is clear. Yes, sometimes there is annotation, but that one we shall look at it later on. Basically, this is how we access the Zoom if the link has been sent via Google Classroom. Let me leave. Also, sometimes maybe the host hasn't started the meeting, the teacher hasn't started the class, and when you click on the link, this is what happens. They tell you waiting for the host to start the meeting. So some people get stuck here and they're wondering, what is this? I'm stuck. You know, this means that the teacher or the host hasn't started the class. So you just have to wait until the class starts. If it continues like this, it's very easy. You just leave the meeting and then click on the link again. Keep trying until it accepts. That is if the teacher has started and you're not yet in the class. Thanks so much for following, and thank you so much for requesting for these tutorials. Yes, keep subscribing and liking and sharing with your friends. Yes, see you again in the next tutorial.